Hi, I'm Lisa Barton with Coldwell Banker Realty in Annapolis, Maryland. And I am getting a lot of questions about, is the market crashing? Have I lost all of the equity or value in my home? When are interest rates coming down? And that sort of thing. And all of this is pretty closely related to supply and demand, and confusing statistics. So, in general, the housing market is down, and a lot of people interpret what that means in different ways. Most assume it means that the value of their home is down, but really what it means is that the number of homes selling and the overall volume of dollars of home selling is down. The number of units are down. But the good news is that for those of you who are selling, the values are actually up. I was just poring over some data county to county, and in some cases neighborhood to neighborhood, and the values are still holding. So be careful when you're listening to the news and it sounds scary, like we're having a market crash, like we did several years ago after the lending debacle. Be sure that you understand what's up and what's down. Things are still selling in the same number of days that they've been on average, but inventory is really low and demand is still high. And most people would agree, when supply is low and demand is high, prices don't go down. So the value of your home is probably fully intact.